Hi there, this is Jonathan from Spotahome, London. Today I'm in Cross Harbour. It's a residential area in Canary Wharf. The connections to the house are Cross Harbour Station with the DLR, and you also have Canary Wharf Station with the Jubilee line, not so far from here. And this is a 3-bedroom flat, and today I'm going to show you all of it. Alright, so here we are. This is the entrance. And here, well, you see the first thing you see is the kind of the laundry room closet. So you have the washing machine with it's dryer as well. You have the ironing board, mini cleaning stuff, the hoover, the mop, the iron as well. And this is one of the double bedrooms, and this one has ensuite bathroom, so it's quite nice. And as you see, it looks amazing. And we have carpet floor, and this is the double bed. We have a side table, 2 side tables with a few drawers, and we have a huge wardrobe here. So we have many shelves here, some space for hanging your clothes, and more here as well. So it's plenty of space. And so that's the other side table. These are the views, so it's quite amazing. It's really cool from here. Alright, so let's check the ensuite bathroom. It's quite cool, really good condition. So it's the sink, we have the toilet, we have a big mirror, but actually there are 2 cupboards. And the shower. I love these kind of showers, are amazing. And as well, more mirrors everywhere. Alright, so that was the first bedroom. Here to the left we have the kitchen and living room. So let's have a look. Let's have a look first. And so as you see, again, looks really good. Alright. And here in the kitchen we have all the essentials. We have the microwave, here is the fridge, here's more storage space, here's the freezer, and you see we have all the essentials. We have all the plates, cups, saucepans, toaster, kettle, knives, cutlery, everything. Here's a space for more cutlery as well, some storage for wine, and yeah, so we have as well plenty of cupboards here. That's the electric stove, the oven, some storage space as well, here as well, and this is the dishwasher. So it looks really nice. Everything here looks new. And that's the living room area. So we have really nice sofa. We also have a flat screen TV with a TV stand. That's a dining table. So it's quite spacious. It's really nice, a lovely place. We still have the same views to Canary Wharf. And as you see, we have plenty of windows, huge windows, so there's a lot of light coming in. So that's the balcony. It's quite cool. So that's the Baltimore Wharf, and you see here we have some stars as well during the night, might be cool, and the views. And as you see, we also have some racks for the washing, even if we have a dryer in the house. Alright, let's continue. So we have 2 more bedrooms here. This is one of them. Again, we have carpet floor, the radiators. So that's the double bed. We have 2 side tables as well. Here is the wardrobe. Slightly smaller, but it's still big, quite big, with many drawers and storage space. Here the views to the to Baltimore Wharf, to the square. It's a lovely bedroom. You know, everything is like has a wooden finish and looks really nice. Alright, let's check here the last bedroom. So it's double as well. We have the double bed and exactly the same wardrobe. So we have the shelves, some storage here for to hang your clothes, and more here as well. So it's quite cool, and the same views. And it's good that these doors can be opened fully, like fully open, or you just can leave them open this way. So it's quite cool. You have all the options here. And as you see, it looks really nice. We have a glass side table, a mirror. Looks really nice, guys. And this is the shared bathroom. As you see, we have plenty of mirrors everywhere, as in the suite bathroom. So that's the sink. We have as well the same kind of cupboard with mirrors, a shelf as well there. In this case, we have a bathtub, but has the same shower there, so it's quite cool. And the huge window here. Oh, sorry, the mirror. Alright, so that's the flat. So we have 1, 2, 3 bedrooms, the living room, kitchen, and one shared bathroom here. So that was the 3-bedroom flat in Cross Harbor. As you see in the video, the whole apartment looks amazing. It's beautifully appointed and it's in really good condition. We have 3 bedrooms and all of them looks really lovely. Even one of them is slightly bigger with a suite bathroom. All of them have quite big windows or doors, so you can open all of them, so you can have fresh air coming in, and as well quite of lights as well. The living room and kitchen area is quite spacious, so you have plenty of space for chilling, to share with friends. And you also have a balcony with some racks to put your washing, even if you also have a washing machine and dryer together. And the kitchen is it's amazing. You have all the essentials. It's fully equipped, so you have as well a dishwasher, even a storage for wine, so it's quite cool. And here in the building you also have access to a gym, a spa, sauna, so it's great to have access to those facilities as well. And location, it's really good. You are just 2 minutes away from Cross Harbor Station, and you also have a Canary Wharf with the Jubilee line not so far from here. And anyway, if you want to find out anything else, go to spotahome.com. You will find everything there. This was Jonathan from Spotahome London. See you next time. Bye bye.